my name is Iska. I'm going to do a wig review on the style wigs with the fringe. I got a couple styles. I think I got 6 or 7 hairstyles, and we're gonna try it on. Okay. Things first, you're going to tie your hair into a low bun. First wig is a purple ombre. Looks like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these parts to hook up right beside the name tag. Forehead first, then back. And we put it into the middle. Things are a bit long. And then we just comb the rest. That's the wig. Next wig is another colored wig with a fringe. It looks like blue on the ends, bluish grayish on the ends, and then gets brown at the top. So kind of like highlights, baby lights. I don't know what they're called. These are actually really cute. This is what it looks like. It's a bit fluffy at the top. Too fluffy for my liking, but I guess I just gotta comb it out. And this is what it looks like. You can actually put these wigs in a ponytail as well. Give me a ponytail like this. Next wig is a hair that I've always wanted. It is like a bob, and it's short, and it's green. I've never done green hair before on my own natural hair, but I decided to get a wig for it, and I think this is the cutest, smoothest wig I've ever had. This is what it looks like. Now the short wigs, you gotta be very careful with them because if you don't tie your hair right, they can show off your real hair and it can look poofy on the back. So just make sure your hair is very flat. So this is what it looks like. Off to the next hair. Now this hair I think does not suit me because of my skin complexion, but it is a very cute color. It's like brownish to grayish hair and it has curls on the bottom with a fringe. So we're gonna try it on. I think this hair is very fairy tale like, but this is what it looks like. This is another bob, a little bit shorter than the green one, but it's very cute because it has dipped ends, which are blue, and brown at the top for the fringe. This is very short. got a shorter bob inspired by TryOn, I think, from Twice. So those are all the wigs from Yasal. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to do more wig reviews and wig try-ons, and I'll do my best to do them. Okay? And if you're wondering what I did to my hair, I did overtone, which is a pink top and vibrant purple at the ends. Okay? Bye!